Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about a Morph tool available in ZW3D which is called as Cylindrical Bend. We can find the tool here in our Shape tab, Morph panel, and there we have Cylindrical Bend. You can also click on the drop down. There we have other type of bends: toroidal, curved, twist, taper and stretch. As of now, we will understand about cylindrical bend, which is a very useful tool whenever we want to bend some existing solid shapes. So let us understand that. I'm going to make a normal shape here in sketch and then going to make a circular shape, let's say. Press the middle mouse button twice, define the radius value, whichever you want, 80. Exit the workbench and then let us extrude it. And while extruding, I just want to define extrusion on both direction. I have defined it previously, so the software will remember the previous parameters which I have specified. As you can see, the end value is 500 and end type I have specified symmetric. So if this is symmetric, means if I'm defining a value of 500, the total will become 1000. I'm okay with it. Done. Now I can create a sketch now, or I can make sketch later on for a cylindrical bend. Let us understand that. First of all, I don't want to see this sketch here. You can simply right click on it and then blank. And here we have cylindrical bend. Click on it. A dialog box will appear where you can find out all the properties related to the cylindrical bend under input manager. And shape. So this is the shape which I need to bend, and then bend line. So if you have bend line already created, you can use it. Otherwise, just right click on the screen, sketch, and then let's say I want to make a sketch on this and I want to draw a line here which I need to use as a bend line like this. Finish it, exit the sketcher, and there we go. You can see that the software is already giving me a preview. That depends upon the parameters which I have specified here. You can define all the parameters, bending sides, like which side you want to bend, one side, other side, or both side. That is all up to you. And here we have the type under bending sizes, radius and angle. So first of all, what is the radius you want? Let's say I need 150 as the radius, and then the angle. So angle I'm keeping, let's say 80 degree. So 80 degree means it will make an angle for the bend only, and rest it will remain straight, as you can see here. So from this area to this area, the angle is set to 80 degree right now. Radius, let us make it big. You will see the effect now, right? This is the radius and angle. Another option we have radius and distance. So distance is the total distance, and now you can see that radius is 300, which is okay, and distance, like it is applying a radius on the specified distance, like 418.87902. I know the overall length is 1000, so I can make it 1000, and you will see the effect now. The whole object has been bended with respect to this distance we have applied. So this is how it works. And the other option is angle and distance. So I can go for angle. So angle, let's say I need to keep it as 360 degree, and you will see that you will get the exact circular shape. And then you can hit OK to accept it, and that's how you can use this cylindrical bend under the Morph tools. And once you have created it, anytime you want to add it, double click on cylindrical bend here. What do you want to change? You can define, let's say you just want it to bend on one side. Okay, there we go. Again, double click on it. I want it to bend on opposite side. You can also do that. And that's how we use the cylindrical bend in ZW3D. I'm sure that makes sense. Thank you so much.